What's up, guys? This is Linus the Taiwanese who teach Chinese online. Hope you're doing well. Today's lesson is Chinese we use every day. Let's get the ball rolling. Greetings. Here are the greetings we use almost every day. Hi, hi, hi. The character hi doesn't actually mean hi. Through globalization, many Chinese characters and words have more different meanings. In this case, native speakers use hi to represent hi in English. And we even changed the tone from its original first tone to the fourth tone to make it sound even more similar to hi when we say it. Hello, hello, hello. This is another great example of how a foreign language affects Chinese. Ha and lo have nothing to do with saying hello. We just put them together to make a similar sound and it became a commonly used phrase. 你好, 你好, 你好. 你 means you and 好 means to be good. 早安, 早安, 早安. 午安, 午安, 午安. 晚安, 晚安, 晚安. 早 means to be early. 午 means noon. 晚 means to be late. And an means to be safe. We say 早安 in the morning, 午安 around noon, and 晚安 before we go to sleep. On the other hand, you can also say 早上好, 早上好, 早上好. 上午好, 上午好, 上午好. 下午好, 下午好, 下午好. 晚上好, 晚上好, 晚上好. Both 早上 and 上午 mean morning. 下午 means afternoon. 晚上 means evening. And 好 means to be good. Saying goodbye. If it is a regular goodbye, you can say 再见, 再见, 再见. 再 means again, and 见 means to see. Bye bye, 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 bye bye. This word is also from English, and it is commonly written in these two ways due to the similar sound. What's more, bye is actually fourth tone, but it is pronounced in the first tone when it means goodbye. You can also add time when before 见 to express when you will see each other again. For example, 明天见, 明天见, 明天见. 下次见, 下次见, 下次见. 礼拜一见, 礼拜一见, 礼拜一见. If you might not see this person for a long time, you can say 保重, 保重, 保重. 保 means to keep, and 重 means to be heavy. In Chinese culture, people believe that everyone has their own fate, and that the fate has a weight. The heavier the fate is, the better your life will be in this lifetime. Therefore, you can also say 保重 to someone who is sick or someone who sneezes, just like when English native speakers say bless you. Polite expressions. 请谢谢不客气对不起不好意思没关系 Let's go over them once again. Hi, hello, 你好，早安，午安，晚安，早上好，上午好，下午好，晚上好，再见，拜拜，明天见，下次见，礼拜一见，保重，请，谢谢，不客气，对不起，不好意思，没关系。Congratulations, you have completed lesson 2. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to review and practice with the attached files whenever you have time. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next lesson. Bye!